Right now, squirrel psychology videos are pulling in millions of views, and most people don't even realize how simple they are to make. Some channels got monetized in just a few weeks without filming a single second of footage. I'm going to show you the exact process. Let's go through it step by step.
There is a squirrel that may have visited your yard hundreds of times without you ever truly noticing it. Not because it was hiding, not because it was afraid, but because almost everything important about its life happens when nobody is paying attention. Most people think they understand squirrels.
Step 1. Find your topic. Open the document, copy the topic generation prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. From the list it gives you, I picked what happens after dark in your yard that nobody sees, because it instantly triggers curiosity. Step 2. Generate your script. Copy the script prompt from the document, paste it into ChatGPT, and add your topic below it. It'll write the first section automatically. When it's done, just type "Next" and it continues. Keep repeating until your full script is complete. Step 3. Create your voiceover. Script ready? Head over to 11 Labs and generate a professional voiceover. Step 4. Get your image prompts. Copy the image generation prompt from the document, paste it along with your full script, and it'll generate image prompts for every scene. When the first batch is done, just type "Next" and it'll give you prompts for the next scenes. Step 5. Create your images. Open Google Flow, select the Nano Banana style, and start generating images from those prompts. Keep going until you have visuals for the entire video. Step 6. Assemble in CapCut. Import everything. Add your voiceover, arrange the images in order, and sync them with the narration. Add a subtle zoom effect to each image using keyframes. It's a small detail that keeps viewers engaged even when the visuals are static. Then generate subtitles and check that the timing lines up. Your video is ready. Now, here's the part most people won't tell you. The process I just showed you is perfect for beginners. It's simple, fast, and works right away. Tell me in the comments what topic should the next video be on.